Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you around my VW T2 1971 that I have just purchased. There's the rear passenger corner. Wheels look in decent condition. Bought it from a lovely guy. He mentioned that the brakes had been done last time he had it on the road, so they shouldn't be too bad. They're going to obviously need a bit of a service. This side door needs a bit of attention. The sill runner's gone, so it falls off. We will be opening it in a minute. There's a bit of welding to do underneath here. We do have this panel, came with the vehicle. The door needs slight repair at the bottom, and maybe up here a little bit. You have a slight awl. I've wanted one of these for a while. Bit of a hole in the middle, bit of body work to do. Got all underneath the windscreen. Maybe another one here. Definitely one there. This side is a lot better than the other side on this panel. The sill down here needs redoing, as well as the rear arch, and as you can see, this is full of spares. Now let's have a look inside. Doors open nice enough. Bottom of the door could do with a bit of a repair, I think, again. It is very solid in here though, really. Underneath the carpet, solid. Down here, there's a bit of a hole, not too bad. Down there, it doesn't look too bad. See if we can get a low down one underneath here. Can we get a camera in there to focus? Don't know, but it's pretty solid. Might be a bit of a patch on the jacking point down here to do, but it's not too bad underneath. Right, I'll show you a different point. Doors shut lovely. Here's the passenger side. Definitely slightly worse, but nothing a little bit of metalwork won't do. Some nice opening windows there for the front doors. I might have attempted installing them. We have the exhaust system with some spare parts here. There's just boxes of spares. We'll go through all the spares in a different video. Here's the back end of the vehicle. Need a couple of rear lights. They are faded and one is broken. A bit of a nest in there from a previous tenant. I think there's a bit of welding here with this piece. I don't know if we have something that's going to screw in, or if it's just a panel that screws in, or what it is. You have a bit of a fuel pipe here. Just a bee passing by. Seems mostly solid. Let's open the rear. There's some spares. Air filter. It's a dynamo maybe with a cooling fan. We have another one. And another one. We have some air intake pipes, I believe. I'm not sure what this panel is at all, to be honest. It's had a bit of a repair at one point. Lots of parts. Right guys, we'll move on to having a look at something else. Don't know what this floor's like. Can you see it from underneath? Not really. It's just a bit of a board. Not sure what that is. It's like an heat guard or something. Right, we'll get the side door off and have a look. Right guys, we got these seat boxes off. Well, we got the seat boxes out the back. We found this panel in the back. I'm not sure. I think it just looks like somebody's cut this out of a van, out the floor. I think it's just a bit of a repair panel to use. We'll find out as we go along, I suppose. Here's the side door. Took me a bit of sussing out. I thought it went up, but it just goes down to open. Didn't have a clue. We've got a bit of a hole down here, bit of a hole across here. Pretty easy patches they are, in my opinion. There's a bit of a hole there, but that looks more like a screw hole. That I think it'll clean up quite nicely, that floor. Get it all cleaned. We've got some parts for the engine. Engine is back there. Dashboard, another dashboard. There's a side door, the rear of the engine bay, an under panel, a seat box, and a couple of tailgates. Right, well, I think there's a couple of bumpers too. I think there's an original bumper, there's a more modern bumper here. Right, we've got a door guard out for the driver's door. We have the rear bit at the back of the engine, back of the car, rear bottom valance, I don't know what it's called. We have a dash. We have a big under tray, seat box, modern bumper. Going in, bit more of a hole here. Definitely going to need a bit of a panel repair. Spare tyre. One bad door. Repairable in my opinion. One. I don't know which door. I probably just used the door I took off, to be honest. It's in the bag. We have some clocks. I don't know what's in there really. It doesn't look like there's much on them clocks. Nothing on the back of them anyway. We have a more modern indicator. Nice mirror. Mirror is useful out of that bag. Right, we'll get that dash out over there and delve into this a little bit deeper. Okay, so we've got another dash out. This one has the knobs on it. I don't think mine in the vehicle does. Anything in the glove box? Ooh, big ol'. Here we have a couple of wiper mechanisms, and I think there's an intake. A few lenses off a different one, and some pieces that I don't know what they are. Some carburetor in there and bits. Inside we're starting to get a little bit further in now. Here is the engine. This engine requires rebuild. Apparently the oil, the fuel started leaking, which made the oil leak, I think he said. Not sure. Says if we rebuild it, it should be alright. Like, just pull it apart, put some new seals in, you know. So we'll give that a go. We have a anti-roll bar here. Not sure what the rest of it is. Let's get some more out. Well guys, we've just gone and emptied it now. And I need to find somewhere now to put all these parts so we can carry on with the Series 3 rebuild. We'll probably start putting videos up every week of the Series 3 and of this now. So it'll be just about the same amount of Series 3 video as what we was doing. But we'll be just having another series with this one. We'll probably, our next video on this is going to be cleaning it all out. Lifting all the mats and getting rid of the carpets and the panels and stuff down the sides inside. Removing the curtains and stuff. Right guys, catch you in the next one.